You have to sit, baby. Hey people, wagwan. Just upside, just upside, just upside. Yeah, come back here, sir. Come.
Let me take picture.
This is not a photo. You call photo shoot, but you want to take picture.
Tell me.
Photo shoot.
Me picture.
You want picture?
Everyone. Give me one.
Tishana. Alright, so guys, I came back to let you know that the kids are in the room now, and they're going to make a lot of noise, so I cannot continue this live. So thank you for coming out on the previous live we had. It was fun interacting with you guys once more, and I honestly missed you guys, and thanks for the new person that was here with me also. Come, Shanita. Just come. Alright, so this is my niece. Her name is Shanila. So you ever hear this saying, room full, all full, can't get a spoonful? That is what my surrounding is like right now. Full of bikini. You can hear that one in the background. Shanila, you can be asleep. No? Careful. If you ever... She's not coming back. Stay away there. And you too, miss. And you too, excuse now. Please write it. Oh, my Instagram. I'm going to write it with my daughter account. So it is Ken underscore. So Ken. So that's my. Excuse me. What's wrong? Hush, baby. Too much distraction, guys. I'm going to end the live. I'm gonna try and come back tomorrow. Because we know how YouTube is, kids can't be in the background making noise. Now we can really show them up in the video. So I'm going to end the live soon. It's not picture. Where belt there? Let me show one of them. Luna, look here. Una, sako. I misbehave. The kids want to be in the camera. I can't bother with them right now. I've never done a Instagram live. May I go over there right now? May I go try a thing? So anyways, thank you very much guys for coming out. I'll see you tomorrow, God's willing. Bless upon yourself. Stay sweet. Mwah. Ciao. Say bye, Sishi. Ciao.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, guys.
Bye guys.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye,
Watch ya.
guys.
As my friend Renva come when I met me in the line. Renva Wagwan. Stay.
Welcome.
I should stay.
Welcome, Tatian. Welcome. Welcome, Tatian.
You should hear that, right?
Stop. You're being too vulgar right now.
You're late. It's not that you're late, you know. I did a live earlier, but it's ended because I got a call. No, that I'm doing this live. These kids, I'm just extra. I can't manage you. You're extra.
Me too.
All I want extra.
TJ.
Extra read all about it. So Renva, let me go feel belt. What's that nothing? I'm gonna see one next side I can hear. Me I go feel belt.
Go on up there. Go on up there. Get up. Go on up there.
Come back down here, so. Let me hear one more. You think me laugh? Are you? Them too much, man. Maybe say, shout out to Disney. Big up Disney. Big up to the Disney. Watch out. Sure.
Hello.
The kids, them, man. Too much.
Look, get ready. Look, get up.
Say hello.
You lie down and relax.
Hi. PUBG, I don't want to come live. PUBG, good night. Hello, PUBG, if you come on live. Guys, me have got any live, you know, can we can't manage them.
Kishana, stop it.
We can't manage. These kids driving me crazy. We can't manage them. Put it in a film mode like he's stopping it. And oh no, let me come and talk. I don't think so may have to play with me. Listen, I need to interact with my audience for a little while. So I'm going to ask you guys to keep quiet. And that's final. Do you understand me? Alright. I said that is final. Meaning I don't want to hear your mouth. Only personal voice I want to hear, and that's the baby. And because he doesn't understand. Big up yourself, PUBG. Big up yourself. Anyways, I'm going to end the live because I'm feeling flabbergasted. It's a laugh pop up. Guys, me I go over TikTok, yeah? I go over TikTok all I made, you know? Thank you very much for coming. Rainbow, big up yourself. Leslie, I'm coming back over TikTok. I'll see you over there. And PUBG, big up yourself. Bye, guys. Don't answer me. Don't answer me in the name of Jesus. Don't answer me. I rebuke you in the name of Jesus.